Hello, Jill. This is Francisco from Amplified Digital Marketing. I spoke with our Sharon this morning, and I had promised to send you out this video. It's a small video on your website audit, so I'm going to jump right to it. Looking at your website, Sharon, a very good looking website, in my opinion, very straightforward. Some of the things that I look for is keywords and the amount of content you have. So it looks like you got a lot of great videos, so keep that up. I do notice that as far as initial wording, you want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, and you want to have keywords in that content. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and and those keywords need to be throughout your website. So these photos here, these videos, are they optimized with specific keywords? Right, this one right here, do they have meta tags, meta descriptions? So those are some of the things that I look for. Now I'm going to jump right into the next section, which this is a tool called Ahrefs. This helps me understand how strong your website is and things like that. So jumping right in, this is your strength and your authority score at 24, and then this is your trustworthy score at 11. So you do want these to be very close to each other, which is what we call the golden ratio. This is a semi good score. This one needs to, a little bit of work, and some of the things that impact that score. Some of the things is your backlinks. So currently right now you have 392 backlinks with 150 referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So these links act like an endorsement for your website. And you're basically building trust with Google, and they are able to vouch for you, meaning that they're going to be able to rank you on the higher pages of Google. It's like a popularity contest, right? You're competing against your competitors as well. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want to have relevant backlinks about your industry, and with some semi-high scores. Now, if you were to get a backlink from a pizzeria, guess what? You're not in the pizza industry, right? You're not in the food industry, so those backlinks could hinder these scores. Now, the last thing I want to go over here on this section is your organic keywords. So you're ranking for a lot of keywords. Now, I'm looking for buyer intent keywords, right? And the reason being is because buyer intent keywords like AC Repair Tampa, people are going to search for that, right? And when people search for those keywords, it's meaning that they're wanting to truly buy your services. And right now you're getting a lot, but they're not area specific. So that's one thing that I look into. If we were to just search for Tampa, for example, because you service the Tampa area, you are, here they go, you are getting index for some of these specific keywords. Now so let's just take into consideration this one right here. Well, let's go leak detection Tampa, right? The first one. So leak detection Tampa, the volume, meaning the amount of people search for this every single month, is 100, and your position is 17. So you're probably like on the second or third page of Google. Okay, so keyword, the amount of people searching for that keyword every single month, and your position 17, second page of Google or third. Now let's look at what your competition is doing. Let's look at one air conditioning and heating. Once again, I look at the content. I look at the photos, which is part of the content. Okay, so let's go to Ahrefs and see how they're being ranked. So once again, this is the strength and the trust, right? Pretty high numbers. Now the golden ratio is not there, but nonetheless, they're really high numbers. They have over 1,000 backlinks with 149 domains, and they're currently ranking for 1,000 keywords. Okay, but let's see what they're currently ranking for those specific keywords. So if we look at AC Repair Tampa, 400 people are searching for this, okay? If we look at yours, you're not being ranked for that specific keyword. Therefore, you're probably not going to show up on Google for AC Repair Tampa, and 400 people are looking for this. So these are local people looking for your service. So think about all the amount of people you're missing out, and that's in Tampa. Okay, so let's go to Google. Once again, let's go AC Repair Tampa, right? You're just searching it on Google. This section pops up, which is Google Ads or Google Guarantee. And this guy right here, this is the Google Map Pack. Okay, this is one of my favorites because 30 to 40% of calls come from this specific area. And some of the ways that you can increase your rankings on here is your reviews, right? Are you getting reviews? Are you responding to those reviews? Are you optimizing your photos? And are you updating your customers on the Google My Business page? So those things make a difference. And then this is the organic listings, right? So if we look at 1 hour and air, they have the #1 spot, and so forth. But anyway, hopefully this all makes sense. And if you have more questions, Jill, I'm open to answer any of your questions. I would like for you to provide any feedback. I want to know your thoughts as far as what you learned from the video. So thanks again, Jill, for watching this video. Email me back and we'll talk soon. Thank you.